Welcome back to our next class. In this class, we are going to discuss about some remaining type of matrix, that is triangular matrix, and some numerical questions from matrix, or some simple question from matrix, or how to construct matrix of given order. So students, let's start our first topic, triangular matrix. What is triangular matrix? Then how to write triangular matrix? Okay. I want to clear the concept of triangular matrix by writing some examples. You can see here. Suppose matrix A is equals to 2, 0, 5, 3. You can see here. Then matrix B is equals to 3, 5, 0, 2. Second example. Then I'm to write another matrix. Matrix C is equals to 3, 1, 2, 0, 5, 3, 0, 0, 8. Then next matrix D is equals to 3, 0, 0, 5, 2, 0, 1, 3, 5. Now, if we write the order of this matrix, we have 4 matrices here: matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, and matrix D. So, at first, write the order of given matrix. You can see here, order of this matrix 2 by 2. The order of this matrix also 2 by 2. Because this matrix had 2 rows and 2 columns. So, right here, matrix, order of this matrix, matrix C, 3 by 3, and order of this matrix is also 3 by 3. Now, these all are example of triangular matrix. Matrix A, B, C, and D. These all matrices are triangular matrix. So, you can define triangular matrix by this way. Those square matrix, you can see here A, B, C, D. All matrices are square matrix. So, those square matrix which every element above leading diagonal 0, those square matrix which every element above leading diagonals are 0 or below leading diagonals are 0. You can see here leading diagonal 2, 3. Then all elements above this diagonal, we have only one element which is 0. Then you can see here leading diagonal 3, 2. Then elements below leading diagonal 0. Then you can see here we have leading diagonal 3, 5, 8. Then all entries of matrix C below main diagonal are 0. Then above leading diagonals are 0. So these all matrices are said to be triangular matrix. That is, those square matrix which every element above leading diagonal 0 or below leading diagonals are 0. तिमीले यसरी डिफाइन गर्न सक्छौ सबै स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जसको के हुनु पर्छ कि लीडिङ डायगोनल भन्दा माथिको एलिमेन्ट 0 हुनु पर्छ. लीडिङ डायगोनल भन्दा माथिको एलिमेन्ट 0 भयो भने त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स भन्छौं. अनि लीडिङ डायगोनल भन्दा तलको एलिमेन्ट 0 भयो भने त्यसलाई हामी के भन्न सक्छौं? ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स भन्न सक्छौं. We can divide triangular matrix into parts. That is, first one upper triangular, and the second one lower triangular. Okay, upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. हेर्नुस् त, leading diagonal भन्दा माथि एलिमेन्ट छ, यो अपर ट्रायंगुलर भयो. leading diagonal भन्दा तल एलिमेन्ट छ भने यसलाई हामी लोअर ट्रायंगुलर भन्छौं. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर, अपर ट्रायंगुलर. Then here upper triangular and lower triangular. leading diagonal भन्दा माथिको एलिमेन्ट 0 भयो भने लोअर ट्रायंगुलर. leading diagonal भन्दा माथिको एलिमेन्ट above leading diagonal एलिमेन्ट 0 छ भने यसलाई हामी लोअर ट्रायंगुलर म्याट्रिक्स भन्छौं. यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौं? अपर ट्रायंगुलर म्याट्रिक्स भनेर भन्छौं. These are example of triangular matrix. Now, how to solve some questions related to matrix? Okay, we are going to solve question number 2 and question number 3 here. Questions. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements aij. What if aij are given by aij is equals to 2i plus 3j. We have given one condition, aij equals to 2i plus 3j. We have given one condition. From this condition, you have to construct a matrix of order 2 by 2. Now, how to write matrix of order 2 by 2? 2 by 2 order matrix like a written. First balance 3 by. Then second one, what is the meaning of aij? aij भनेको के हो र यसले के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ? यसले अर्डरलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ, इन्डिजलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ अथवा म्याट्रिक्सलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ, के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ भनेर दुईटा पॉइन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. फर्स्ट, हाउ टु राइट 2 by 2 order of matrix, then what is the meaning of aij? Now, let's see. What is aij? aij means, you can see here, suppose matrix A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. You write here order of this matrix 2 by 2. Now we have 4 entries in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is first row, R1. This one is second row, R2. This one is first column, R1, and this one is second column, sorry, C1 and C2. We have 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. First row, second row, first column, second column. Now, you can represent every entries of this matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can represent every entries of this matrix in the form of aij. aij. Now, I represent row and j represent column. Suppose you have to write the elements which lies in the question A11. This first row and first column. That element which lies in first row and first column. A11. A11 भने के लेख्न छ त भने त्यस्तो एलिमेन्ट लेख्न छ जुन म्याट्रिक्स A मा के छ फर्स्ट रो एन्ड फर्स्ट कोलममा लाइज गर्छ. फर्स्ट रो एन्ड फर्स्ट कोलम, that is first row, then here first row, then first element, first column. This A11 equals to 1. A, you have to write A to 1. Can see here aij, 2 represent I and 1 represent j. That is the value of I is 2. Second row is then first column, second row, first row, second row, then first column 3. A to 1 is equals to 3. You can write this. aij को meaning बुझ्नु भयो होला. अहिले रोलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ अनि जेले के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ, कोलमलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. Now, you can see here we have to construct 2 by 2 matrix. Didn't know. What is the matrix? So let A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. The order of this matrix, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2 is required matrix. Okay, let ABCD is required matrix, is required 2 by 2 order of matrix. Now you have to find out the value of A, B, C, D. Well, we have given one condition. Given condition, I have given one condition, that is aij equals to 2i plus 3j. Yes, 2i plus 3j. Given condition, aij is equals to 2i plus 3j, which is given condition. Okay, now we have 4 elements in here, 4 entries A, B, C, D. Then you have to find out the value of A, B, C, D in here. So A, can you express A in the form of aij? Can you express A in the form of aij? Can you express? Okay, let's see. aij. Look at here. A lies on first row and first column. First row and first column. So you can write A is equals to A1. Yes, this A lies on first row and first column. So you can represent A in the form of A11. and given condition, which is 2i plus 3j, 2i plus 3j, 2 multiplied by I, first represent row, first row, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by j equals to also 1, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. The value of A is 5. Now B, okay, at first you have to express B in the form of A and Z. Now find out the position of B. Position of B, B lies on first row, and which column? First column, second column. First row, second column, that is A. First I represent row, first row, and J represent column, second column. So right here A, 1, 2, which is the position of B. Yes. Then given condition 2i plus 3j. Now replace I and j by 1 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by, what's the value of j? Second element 2, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6, which is equals to 8. Now we have two entries remaining, C and D. Now we have to find out the value of C and D from here. So you express C in the form of Aij. C which lies on first row, second row. So second row, which column? First column, 2, 1, A to 1, which is the position of C, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, which is the value of I, 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2 to 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Now last element, which is D. Now write the position of D. D lies on first row, second row, first column, second column is equals to, then 2 multiplied by, what is the value of I here? 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 2's are 4 plus 3 2's are 6 is equals to 4 plus 6, now 10. Now students, let's here we have the value of A, B, C, D. We find out the value of A, B, C, D from given condition Aij equals to 2i plus 3j. Now just you have to replace A, B, C, D by this value. Okay, therefore A, B, C, D, which is required matrix, ABCD, which is required matrix, is equals to value of A. You can see here value of A 5, then value of B 8, value of C 7, C is equals to 7, and value of D, which is equals to 10, which is required matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay, you can solve like this. Question number A. In same way, you can solve second question also. Try to solve this question. Is your homework. Now, I am to solve question number 3. Okay. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. We have to construct 3 by 2 order matrix where Aij is given as Aij is equals to I plus j. You have to construct 3 by 2 order matrix. 3 by 2 order matrix where you have one condition Aij is equals to I plus j. Okay. Now we need 3 by 2 order matrix. 3 by 2 order matrix. That means we need number of rows 3 and number of column 2. So right here A, B, C. 3 rows and how many columns? Okay, 2. So right here D, E, F. ABCD, EF is required matrix of order 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Order 3 by 2. Now Given condition. What is the given condition? What is the value of aij? Aij equals to I plus j. So you can write here aij equals to, given condition, aij equals to I plus j. Now, so you have to find out the value of a, b, c, d, e, f. A, b, c, d, e, f. From this condition, aij equals to I plus j. Now, at first, write all entries of this matrix. Write all entries of this matrix in the form of aij. Write all entries of this matrix in the form of its position. So A equals to, now A lies on first row and first column. Yes, A lies on first row and first column. And given condition, which is I plus j. This is given condition. We have given one condition. Now replace I and j by 1 and 1, which is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. That is the value of A is 2. Now B is equals to B lies on which rows? First, second, third? First row, second row. Yes. So second row, which column? First. Yes. Yeah, first. B equals to A21, which is equals to, where the value of I is 2, because I always represent by row and J always represent column. So 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Now next, C is equals to A, which was first, second, third row. Then which column? First column. A31, which is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Now we have remaining 3 entries, D, E and F. So D equals to A. Now you have to find out D lies on which row? First row. Then which column? First, second column. A12, which is equals to 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. The next, E is equals to A. E equals to A, which row? First, second row and second column, which is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Then last element F is equals to A. Now find out the position of F. A, first, second, third row, second column. A, 3, 2, which is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Now students, we know the value of A, B, C, D, E, F. We find out the value of A, B, C, D, E, F from given condition Aij is equals to I plus j. So replace A, B, C, D, E, F with its corresponding elements, with its corresponding values. Okay. Therefore, required matrix, its required matrix A, B, C, D, E, F. We know the order of this matrix 3 by 2. Now replace the value of A to F by is equals to, what is the value of A equals to 2, value of B equals to 3, value of C equals to 4, then value of D equals to also 3, value of E equals to 4, value of F which is equals to 5. So which is required matrix of order 3 by 2. Now in same way, we have one question remaining in here. If you understood how to find out the matrix of given order, then you can also solve this question. If you have any question, contact me, you can message me. For more videos, please like, subscribe and share. Great. Thank you.